Welcome back, everyone. You're watching Entrepreneur, and in today's video we're going to be going over what exactly the daily trade series is going to be, and I kind of want to come out and announce that we are starting tomorrow the daily trade series. We'll talk a little bit about what that is throughout this video, and also we're going to cover how we started off on Friday and made about $1,500 profit in 2 hours in the group that's actually going to be doing the daily trade. So before we get into the topic of this video, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing, as we put up 1 to 2 videos a day focused on trading cryptocurrency and helping you guys become better investors. Now, for those of you guys who have specific questions or need help curating an investment strategy for yourself, we do offer one-on-one investment consultations to help you with anything you may need as a trader or investor. Okay, guys, so now that we have that out of the way, what we're going to be doing with the daily trade is basically this. So we have a private group called Investors Elite, as well as Entrepreneur Investors. Now, Investors Elite is the signals group where you guys can get the actual signals and the trades that we do all throughout the day, and also be on our 1-hour live streams every day, Monday through Friday, as well as in our private group chats and everything else, and also some content to help you guys learn how to do what we're doing. So that's Investors Elite, and then Entrepreneur Investors. We're actually going to be switching up the structure of everything, but for now, Entrepreneur Investors is the complete course that shows you guys A to Z how to do all of that that we do when we trade, and our whole trading strategy and everything you need to know to become a profitable trader. So the first 2 links, I would recommend start off with Investors Elite, see if you guys are, you like the structure of our group and everything like that, and you are enjoying the signals because it is a cheaper option. And then if you want, you can always upgrade and get the Entrepreneur Investors program to learn A to Z how we do everything, so you start to become and learn how to become a better trader. So I'll leave the first 2 links in the description, will be those 2 things. But for those of you guys who want to join the daily trade series and the $1 Million Challenge, which we're doing in the series, you can go ahead and just join through the Investors Elite program. So what are we going to be doing? So in this video, we're going to be covering one of the trades our group hit last Friday. A lot of people got involved. A lot of people made a lot of money, and we're going to be covering how I made about $1,400 profit with that trade on Friday night. So what we do in our group and in the daily trade, we're going to be basically every single week, we're going to be hitting a 15% weekly goal for trading. And we do that with a few things. First off, we trade high profitability coins. So there's a list of coins that we focus on, and a way we scan the markets every single day to see what's really paying off and what people are trading. And then we, of course, have strategies to be able to get a larger discount compared to other traders within that time frame. And then, of course, we take profits consistently with a large focus on our risk management strategy. So that is basically everything summed up in a nutshell. Obviously, it's a lot more complicated than that, and there's a lot more to it, but obviously I can't explain everything in this video. So that is what we are doing, and I wanted to announce it because we are going to be starting tomorrow. So this is one of the trades we hit last Friday. Now, I'm not going to say every single trade will be like this. Normally, I don't get 15% just in a day. Usually, it's more around 2 to 5%, sometimes more every single day. So that's our goal. Our weekly goal to be able to get up to $1 million within a year is 15% per week. And we're going to be doing that throughout the week, every single week. And showcasing it on the channel here for those of you guys who aren't in the group, and showing you the results and how we do everything. So I'm just going to go over this trade that we hit last Friday, and of course, if you guys want to join in with our group, first link in the description, go ahead and hop in on the Investors Elite program. So Moeda loyalty points has been quite a winner recently, been getting a lot of volume, and last Friday we actually hit a very nice trade. A lot of people got 10%, 15%, 17%, even some people got 20% that got in right at the bottom, but myself, I got about a 15.9% gain. So my stop loss, my trailing stop loss that I used with 3 commas, actually was able to get that 15.9% after I went to sleep when I was already in the trade, and I was up to 0.218 Bitcoin, which for those of you guys who don't know is $1,400. So $1,400 trade within 2 hours, pretty good. The way we spotted this trade is a few people in the group shouted out this coin. We had already been watching watching it because of all the volume, but someone had shouted it out and made everybody aware that there were a ton of buyers, like hundreds of Bitcoin orders on the buyer side and no sellers at all. So this thing pumped pretty quickly. It was oversold back here right around the same price before it launched up all the way to about 3374 Satoshis up on that level, and just continued to pump, honestly. The whole group was super active during the pump and everything. So yeah, a lot of people in the group were able to make that trade. And again, we entered right before the MACD had shown that cross. And even some people that had entered up here were still able to squeeze a lot. That's where I entered, actually, because someone in the group actually brought the trade to everyone. But we were able to enter right here, squeeze out about 15 to 17%, and hop out of this coin for quite a large profit. So for those of you guys who want to get involved and want to be able to, hear about these trades when they're going on. In fact, this is an alert right now on TKC that I'm getting, so I'll have to check that out after this video, see if there's an opportunity. But for those of you guys who want to get involved, we are going to be raising the price after this first week. So this week, I'm going to be changing the structure to a lot of our private groups and programs and everything. So currently, Investors Elite is priced at $27 per month. Guys, I don't really have to justify the price. That is less than $1 a day for signals that you could make, the whole month's payment back within just one trade. So for those of you guys who are, looking for a private trading group to get involved in that doesn't do pump and dumps or any of that garbage, we trade, coins that we find value in, coins that we are seeing volume in, and we take advantage of pretty simple opportunities that are very easy to understand once you understand exactly what we're doing. So hope that a lot of you guys decide to join us in our $1 million challenge that we're actually doing over the next 52 weeks. I wanted to announce this so that for those of you guys who want to get involved at a cheaper price, again, right now the price is $27 per month for Investors Elite, and we will be raising it to $47 per month within the next week or so. So for those of you guys who want to get in, lock in at a good price for the long term, definitely think about joining throughout this week. And but if you don't, then we also have a free Facebook group, and you guys will be able to see our results every single day throughout the week, and how we're doing in the challenge and in the group. So wanted to bring this to you guys. Like I said, just showcasing one of the better trades we've hit in a while. And this again was about a 17% trade within only 2 hours. So hope a lot of you guys decide to join us on our journey to $1 million. But for those of you guys who don't, I hope you guys continue to take value away from this channel, as that is always my goal. So hope to see you guys in there. Again, first 2 links in the description. If you guys just want to join the challenge and get the signals, that is just the first link in the description. So hope to see a lot of you guys in there, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the first episode of The Daily Trade. Have a good one, guys.